Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the benefits of enriching your company profile and how to do it in Playwise HQ. When you first create your account, we'll automatically extract your company domain from your email address. If you do need to change it, it is an editable field. But once you have that company domain here, what you want to do is click Enrich Company Profile. This will leverage AI to automatically go and fetch up-to-date information from your website about your company as well as the individual products that you sell. The benefit of this is that Playwise HQ then uses this information as the foundation for creating up-to-date and relevant competitor battle cards. Okay, so now that process is complete, we can see that it's created a company overview of Salesforce, and if we scroll down, we now have individual products and individual features and feature categories within each of those products. You can click edit to update or change any of this information, and also you have the ability to add additional products if you wanted to. So I'm going to click Save Profile. Now with that saved, what we'll do is we'll come over here and we'll go to Create Battle Cards with AI, and this will show you the benefit of enriching your company profile. So as a competitor to Salesforce, we might choose HubSpot, and we can put in multiple products. So we will put in Sales Hub, and we'll also put in their Marketing Hub product as well. And then what we'll do is we'll click Generate Battle Cards. This process also leverages AI, but because we have the foundation of knowing the company that we work for, in this case Salesforce, and the products that we sell, we can make sure that the battle card is generated with relevant talking points, relevant objection handling strategies, and the relevant kind of strengths and weaknesses of each platform. Great, so AI has now created our battle card. We're going to view the battle card. Straight off the bat, what AI does, it automatically categorizes our competitor, in this case HubSpot, based on the competitive threat, market penetration, pricing strategy, growth trajectory, market positioning, and sales strategy. It generates a company overview, a list of key strengths and weaknesses, the key industries and customers that HubSpot serve. You can edit the battle card to update any information, so if you don't agree with any of the categorizations, you can easily change that very quickly. What's more important though is because we work for Salesforce in this example, and because we went through the process of enriching our company profile, when we come to the win-loss themes, these are going to be specific to our business and the competitor that we're going up against. As a Salesforce employee in this example, we can see that we typically win against HubSpot because we offer enterprise-grade scalability and customization. Also, one of the other reasons might be that Salesforce offers that complete 360 view of the customer. And as a salesperson working for Salesforce in this example, we would want to leverage these talking points to position ourselves more strongly against HubSpot when we come up against them in an opportunity or a deal. On the opposite end of the spectrum, why might we lose to HubSpot? As a Salesforce employee, well, HubSpot's known for their ease of use and rapid time to value for SMBs, and HubSpot has that intuitive UI and easier setup process that may appeal to those smaller businesses. Another reason might be that HubSpot do invest quite heavily in their inbound marketing and content management capabilities within the platform. So if we know that we're going up against HubSpot and that customer or prospect has a strong requirement for this, again, this is something that we want to be aware of. Moving over to objection handling, we can see some of the key objections that we might come across when selling Salesforce. For example, HubSpot is easy to use and faster to deploy. Here we have a recommended response saying that Salesforce Small Business and the Starter Suite have been specifically designed for rapid deployment and ease of use. So we're countering that talking point that may be more positive on the HubSpot side. Equally, HubSpot's all-in-one platform is better integrated across marketing, sales, and service. We have a recommended response in that Salesforce Customer 360 is a unified platform as well, and it natively integrates those things: sales, service, marketing, commerce, and more. You can add additional objection handling questions and responses by clicking the Add New Objection, and you can do the same thing on the win-loss themes. I'll go over to the Products tab so that we can see that we have both the Sales Hub and the Marketing Hub product that we set up when we asked AI to generate this battle card. And there's two other tabs that you fill in over time. The first is Field Insights. So this is where your sales team can add information when they're competing against HubSpot. For example, they may find that in a particular industry or a particular geography that HubSpot is very aggressively going after customers in that space and offering a steeper discount than normal. One of your sales reps in that sector might want to share that as an insight and make sure that other sales team members across your company are aware of that. Win-loss analysis is essentially that as you win or lose opportunities against HubSpot, you can detail and document the reasons why. And then this information may then inform some of the objection handling questions and answers that you provide, or may even necessitate an update to your win-loss theme. For example, if you started to find that HubSpot was winning more enterprise customers because they'd changed their pricing model or they'd added additional functionality, maybe that means that this win theme isn't as important as it once was. Anyway, that's a very brief overview of how you enrich your company profile in Playwise HQ and the benefit of doing it when you generate a competitor battle card. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please visit playwisehq.com.